Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about combined shapes, some example problems. Example 2.6. Nishant has a keychain which is in the form of an equilateral triangle. This keychain is in the form of an equilateral triangle and a semicircle attached to a square of side 5 centimeter. Okay. Here one of the semicircle is attached to a square of side 5 centimeter. So square side is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So this diameter, longest length is 5 centimeter. Find its area. We substitute pi is 3.14 and root 3 is 1.732. So substitute this value. Okay. So again I'll repeat the question. Nishant has a keychain which is in the form of an equilateral triangle and a semicircle attached to a square. This is the semicircle. Okay, 5 centimeter are shown in this figure. Find its area. We take the pi value is 3.14 and the root 3 is 1.732. Listen the solution. So side of the square is 5 centimeter. Diameter of the semicircle is 5 centimeter. Diameter is longest length of the chord. Okay, this one is largest length of the chord, that is 5 centimeter. So radius is half of this diameter. Okay, so half value is the diameter. So full length is 5 centimeter. So the half length is half of 5 is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, we get 2.5 centimeter radius. Side of the equilateral triangle is 5 centimeter. Here also, because all the side radius 5 centimeter. So equilateral triangle 5 centimeter. Then area of the keychain. Area of the keychain. What are the combined shapes are given in this figure? In the top, we get one triangle. Okay. Then middle part square and the last bottom is one of the bottom is semicircle. Okay, so we add all the three combined shapes, we get the answer. So area of the keychain is area of the semicircle bottom value plus area of the square middle value plus area of the equilateral triangle, this one top value. So we add this three shapes area, we get the answer. So semicircle, circle area is pi r square, semicircle is half 1/2 into pi r square plus area of the square side into side, that is a square plus equilateral triangle, already learned the formulas. Equilateral triangle area is root 3/4 a square. Substitute all the values. So 1/2 into this pi place you substitute 3.14. So 1/2 into 3.14 into 2.5 into 2.5 plus 5 into 5 plus root 3/4 into a square is 5 into 5. Then what are the numbers are cancelled? 1 2 is 2. Here we get it 1 2 is 2. Balance is 1. Now the number is 11. 5 2s are 10. Again balance 1. 7 2s are 14. So 1.57 or half value of 3.14 is 1.57. So you find out the product of these three numbers, we get 9.81. Here 5 into 5 is 25 plus root 3, already you know the value. In the question having the value 1.732. So this root 3 is 1.732 into 5 into 5/4. So cancel these two numbers. Here 1 point. So we take 0.4 4s are 16. 1 balance. Next 4 3s are 12. Again 1 balance. 4 3s are 12. 0.433 into 5 into 5. We find out the product. 5 5s are 25. So 25 into 0.433 we get 10.83. So we add these three numbers 9.81 plus 25 plus 10.83. We get the answer 45.64 centimeter square. Okay. Example 2.7. A threefold invitation card is given with measures as in the figure. This is the original figure. Okay. Find its area. So three-folded. Take the name 1, 2 and 3. We combined 1 and 2. We get the trapezium shape. This 1 and 2 combined the shape. This shape name is trapezium. Okay. Next, third number is we get one rectangle. This one is rectangle. So we find out the area of this combined figures. So what are the shapes? First one is trapezium, but you combined these two parts. We get the trapezium and area of the rectangle. We calculate it and add the value. We get the area. So listen the solution. Area of the combined invitation card. Combined invitation card is area of the combined trapezium plus area of the rectangle. So combined trapezium, already you know the formula. Trapezium is half into h into a plus b. H is we take the length 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 we added 16 centimeter. This is the height. Okay. So height is 16 centimeter and a is 5. B is this 16. So A and B value you write it. Here also we get 16 centimeter. So A plus B is we add 5 and 16 and the height is 8 plus 8 we get 16. So 1 by 2 into 16 into 5 plus 16 plus length into breadth. Length into breadth is length 16 and the breadth is 8. So 16 into 8. Now find out the product of these numbers. 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. So 8 into 5 plus 16 is 21. So 21 8s are, what's the product value? 1 8 is 8. 8 2s are 16. We get 168 plus 16 8s are 16 into 8 is 6 8s are 48. 4 balance. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 4 128. So we add this two number 168 plus 128 is 168 plus 128 is 8 plus 8 16 1 balance 6 plus 1 7 7 plus 2 9 2 1 plus 1 2. So 296 centimeter square. Example 2.8. Sinu wants to buy a floor mat for his kitchen at home as given in the figure. If the cost of the mat is rupees 20 per square foot, what will be the cost of the entire mat? What will be the cost of the entire mat? So 1 per square is rupees 20. Okay, 1 square foot is rupees 20. You find out the cost of the entire mat. Entire mat is find out the total area, then area into 20 we get the cost. See the figure. Two types of floor mats are given. First mat, this side you take it one piece and the full length of the rectangle also you select it. Okay, the mat given in the figure can be split into two rectangles as follows. Listen the figure. So the mat is splitted into two parts. Okay, so you find out the area of the entire mat. So area of the first rectangle and area of the second rectangle. So we take this one as first rectangle, this one as second rectangle. Okay, so first rectangle length is 5 and breadth is 2. First rectangle length is 5 and breadth is 2. The second rectangle we take the length is 9 and the breadth is 2. Length is 9 and breadth is 2. So we using these two rectangles find out the combined area. Okay, combined areas, area of the entire mat. Area of the entire mat, the formula is area of the first rectangle plus area of the second rectangle. The two formulas, length into breadth. Area of the first rectangle and the second rectangle. The shape is rectangle only, so length into breadth. So the length values are different. So we take L1 into B1, here L2 into B2. So substitute the values. First mat rectangle L1 is 5 and B1 is breadth 2 plus 9 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are we get 18. So 10 plus 18, 28. So 28 square feet. Cost per square foot. 1 square foot, how much rupee? 20 rupees. So you find out the cost of the entire mat. Entire mat is you find out the product of these two numbers. 28 into 20. So the multiplication value 28 into 20. 8 0 0. Here also we get 0. 8 2s are 16. 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 560 rupees. 560 is the answer.